Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you how to create a Mailchimp automation so you can welcome new subscribers, deliver your digital products, and put your professional marketing on autopilot in 2026. Let's get into it. First, navigate to the Automations tab. The first step is entering the Customer Journey Hub. In 2026, Mailchimp has moved away from classic automations in favor of the more visual Customer Journey Builder, which allows you to map out exactly how a subscriber moves through your brand experience. Log into your Mailchimp dashboard. On the left-hand sidebar, click the icon that looks like a zigzagging path labeled Automations. Once the page loads, click the blue Create button in the top right corner and select Customer Journey. Unlike a one-off newsletter, an automation is a living system. Starting here allows you to build a studio-quality workflow that works even when you're away from your PC, ensuring every new lead gets a candid and timely response. Next, choose your starting point, the trigger. An automation cannot start without a trigger, a specific action taken by a user that kicks off the sequence. For a beginner guide, the most professional trigger is a new sign-up. Click the Choose a Starting Point button. A menu will appear with various categories like Contact Activity or Shopping Activity. Select Signs Up from the list. If you have multiple audiences, ensure you select the correct list for your software tutorials or market analysis. Click Save Starting Point. By setting the trigger to Signs Up, you ensure that the second someone joins your list, they are officially entered into your professional funnel without any manual work on your end. Next, add an action, sending your first email. Now that the journey has started, you need to tell Mailchimp what to do next. Usually, this means sending a high-end welcome email. Click the plus icon directly below your starting point. From the Actions menu on the left, drag and drop the Send Email block into your journey path. Click on the email block to give it a candid name like Welcome plus Free Guide, and click Get Started to design the content. This is your chance to make a professional first impression. Whether you are delivering a technical video script or a discount code, this automated email ensures your studio branding is the first thing your new subscriber sees in their inbox. Once your path is complete, click the Continue button in the top right. Review your checklist to ensure your tracking and sender details are correct. And that's pretty much it. To create an automation in 2026, go to the Automations tab and build a customer journey. Set your starting point to Signs Up, add a Send Email action to deliver your content. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.